Asus ROG Strix VEGA 56 unboxing. You can see this is a VEGA 56. I have had these cards. I got two of them. I've had them for about a month now. Just haven't had time to actually edit this video and get it up. I've been really busy with the store and life in general. Here you can see the back of the box. It's all in Chinese. I'll go ahead and open the box and take the GPU out. Inside the outer box, we see a nice Strix inner box. Here's a driver DVD. There is a dual 6-pin to 8-pin cable if you need that to power your GPUs. And there are also some Velcro straps if you want to use those for cable management. I'll go ahead and remove the GPU from the box. Tidy up my box, get it off the table. Go ahead and open the bag and remove the GPU from the baggie. Here it is. You can see it's the general ROG Strix 3-fan cooler. On the side of the card, you will see a BIOS switch. It's powered by two 8-pin headers. Nice thick heat sinks. For display outputs, there are two HDMI and two DisplayPort outputs, along with a DVI output. Here's the back of the card. You can see the Asus logo. One thing that this card does not have, which most of the VEGA cards do have, is the tachometer, the light tachometer. So those lights are missing. If you do like that, it's unfortunate. Asus decided to not include those with this card. Otherwise, great card, nice backplate, Aura Sync LEDs, RGB, nice heatsink, 3 fans. The card does stay nice and cool for a VEGA card. On the back of the card, there are some fan headers. You can connect some case fans to those headers so that they are controlled by the GPU. So I hope you liked the video. I hope it helped, and thanks for watching.